Assalamu Walaikum. In this video I will show you how to count word in multiple documents of Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Let's get started. Firstly, make a folder and move the documents into folder. And right click on the mouse, go to sort by and more, and check mark the word count and select the details from view. Now see the count of word. Now you can check into Microsoft Word. Here have 3484 word. Now I will check into Microsoft Word. Here have also 3444 word. Now I will check another one. $675 word. Here have 665 word. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.